Hey guys, welcome to the 7-day Mudgar challenge for beginners. Yes guys, I've designed a specific 7-day series for anyone who's starting a Mudgar practice. Hey guys, this is Haresh from MudgarFitness, where we help people get physically strong, mentally strong, as well as help heal your chronic pains. So for this entire 7-day series, you have to do one move every day. Okay, that's the challenge. One move every day. Okay, and today's video is our day one move. So come, pick up your Mudgar and let's start the challenge. So before starting the challenge, guys, please make sure that you have a lightweight Mudgar. Please don't start directly with a 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg Mudgar. Okay, the lightweight Mudgar should be as per your specifications. Okay, if in case you don't know that, you can contact me via WhatsApp or on Instagram and I will help you with the right Mudgar weight for you. Come, let's do the first move. Hold your Mudgar with both hands. Okay, hold it with both hands and make sure your palms are near your belly button. Okay, palms near your belly button. We'll do one move today and we'll do it for 54 reps. Okay, 54 reps. Once you are finished with the challenge, then I expect you guys to practice each move for at least 108 reps. Come, let's go for the move. Okay, so the first move is called lower pendulum. Okay, lower pendulum. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you swing the Mudgar, as the Mudgar goes down, breathe out. When it comes up, breathe in. So it's like this. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. And please guys, only make sure that you're breathing from your nose. Keep your mouth closed. Okay? Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Continue practicing. Okay, keep breathing out from your nose. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Relax. Okay, relax. So we are done with our day one move. Okay, I hope you guys could have done this move with me and I hope you enjoyed doing it. Okay, please make sure you're doing it with a lightweight Mudgar. Okay, and also doing the Kshatriya pranayam, which is actively breathing out from your nose, keeping your mouth closed. We are done for today's challenge. Congratulations. Now I will meet you for day 2.